Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video I will show you manufacturing tasks tab in Prodio. So, manufacturing tasks are very similar. This tab is very similar to orders tab in Prodio. Here we have list of the manufacturing tasks with their number, we have their status, we have information about Prodio ID of the order that this manufacturing task is assigned to. We have also the external order ID, and when we click on it, we have the whole grouped order, so we have quick access to it, and then to all information and options about this grouped order. When we click at the Prodio ID, we have access to the full order view, like in the orders tab. And what else we have here? We have just some basic information like client, product group, on which machine or operation this manufacturing task is. Then we have information about the shop floor view, plant stop, days left, how many products were made, if there are any workers assigned, work time, estimated time, just anything that we need. We also have comments and some additional information. So basically everything that we need to know about the manufacturing tasks we have at one place here. Now, what else can we do in this tab? When we click on the task number, you'll have information about this specific manufacturing task. Here we have some basic information like product, operation, etc. Okay, maybe this one here. We have status, who created this task. We have option to change status manually. We have option to print this manufacturing task so that we would have a printout with the barcode, so that, for example, our workers could use it on the shop floor. We have possibility to open it in the new tab. Then we can edit some information like quantity to be made, machine operation, predecessor of this operation. We can change the plant start, plant stop, and the end machine, assign workers. Just if we forgot to add some information or we made some mistake while planning, we can make this change right here. Then we have work history on this specific manufacturing task, and when we go to the order view, we have the work history for whole order. Here's just for this task. Then we have consumption of the raw materials. Oh, okay, looks like there were no raw materials used here. Okay, looks like, oh yeah, here we have it. So we have the consumption of the raw materials. We can also edit it. So maybe let's switch it to 120. No problem. Then we can access pauses if there were any while someone was working on this task. And from here we can also access the whole order view. And from here we can also deactivate, finish, or remove the manufacturing task. And important thing is that we can't remove neither manufacturing task, neither order when there is some work history on it, because then there would be gaps in the data. So we cannot remove it if we have some work history on this task or order. Okay, and what else? We can show inactive and hide ready manufacturing task, so that we will have everything here very clear, so we can just see what we need. as in all our tabs, you have, or almost all the tabs, you have possibility to filter the data that we have here by all of this information. So by the status, by the client. So it's very easy to find the information that you need. Then we can also export the data that we have by clicking here. And from here, maybe let's first get to settings. Like in all the tabs, you have option to adjust the view to your needs. So if you don't need some information, like let's say image or maybe even Prodio ID, you can hide it. And as you can see, it changed. So you can adjust it. And what else we have here? We have option to disable creation of operation predecessors and disable automatic setting of planned start time. So if you would like to add the predecessors by yourself, or for example, you would like to plan start date just by yourself, you can turn it on. If you want it to plan automatically and you want the predecessor operations, just leave it as it is. Now, here we have possibility to print order, so the whole order, palette card, label, task, and we have here also option to edit it, the same as you have when you click on the task number. And then we have option to move on top of queue or on end of queue this manufacturing task. So basically this affects the production schedule where we have the queue on the machine or operation, and from here we can reorder this queue that we have at the production schedule, so we can move this task up or down. We can also duplicate, deactivate, finish, and remove this task as you can when you just click on it and see the details. And what else we have here? We have possibility to plan the orders and manufacturing tasks. So we click add, and here we can choose one order to plan, and then we can just click schedule, and the planning works the same way as in the orders tab. Or we have possibility to plan a few orders, so we click add to the list, this one. And important thing, if you choose the order that is already planned and try to schedule it, it will be planned again, so duplicated. So if you want to make any changes to the manufacturing tasks, don't do it here. Just go into the manufacturing task and make changes right in it. Don't try to plan it again. But well, you can delete it and plan it again, but you can just edit it. Yeah, so here you can, now if you have all the orders that you would like to schedule, you can click here, and now you can schedule first order and second one, etc., etc. Yeah, and now we have all the manufacturing tasks that we just scheduled. And I think that's it when it comes to manufacturing tasks tab in Prodio. I hope this video was helpful for you and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.